GT3RS has arrived at the shop. Let's go take a look. Today we're going to be unboxing these awesome iPE wheels. So here we have the 21-inch wheel. The packaging looks awesome. It's matte and it looks really expensive. And look at that. Are you guys ready? Beautiful. This is the magnesium wheel, so it's supposed to be very light. We're gonna take it to the scale and see how much it weighs. It is actually really light. I was not expecting this. Okay, let's see. 21 pounds, which is really light for a 21-inch forged magnesium wheel. I'm super excited to see how they're gonna look on the GT3RS. Magnesium wheels certainly add a wow factor to a vehicle. That, of course, is the main reason people spend their money on magnesium wheels. But are the looks the only advantage they possess over steel or aluminum wheels? Most magnesium wheels are manufactured by one of two primary production methods, casting or forging. The main advantage of cast wheels is the relatively low cost of production. But cast wheels are designed to be heavier than forged and also tend to fracture upon high-speed impacts, whereas forged wheels are much lighter and tend to bend instead. There are many great factors when choosing magnesium wheels. First and foremost, magnesium wheels have a lower unsprung rotating mass, which makes for a faster acceleration and shorter stopping distance. In addition, it leads to better handling, increased fuel economy, longer life for brakes and tires, and reduced carbon emissions. As if that wasn't good enough, magnesium wheels also offer high damping properties that give them the highest vibration absorbance rate of any structural metal. This increases the longevity of some vehicle components and a more comfortable ride. Magnesium wheels are the best in the game in the high heat conductivity, allowing for a faster heat dissipation, preventing overheating of the braking and wheel assembly systems, so you can have more fun for a longer period of time at the track. I think those wheels will look great on this car because it's black and it's gonna match with all the mods that he has. And it's insane. I usually don't like the canards, but it looks fantastic. And the carbon hood, carbon wing, and check it out. He has the yellow stitching all over, and he has the yellow cage and yellow harness. Everything is color coordinated, so it looks really good in person. Before we mount these wheels, I just wanted to mention these magnesium wheels are specifically made for performance-driven vehicles like this GT3RS. You wouldn't find these magnesium wheels for Honda Civic or Mustangs, usually. Now the back wheel is off, let's take it to the scale and see the difference between this stock wheel and the magnesium wheel. Now we're gonna weight this stock wheel first. It's almost at 70 pounds with the tire. All right, let's get that magnesium wheel. I can feel it's already 10 times lighter. It's at 54.65 pounds. Wait, let me do my math. Now that you guys saw there is 15-pound difference between the stock wheel and the magnesium wheel, let's take it back to the shop and mount it on the car. Now for the juicy stuff, unsprung versus sprung weight, and how magnesium wheels are truly the best wheels for the performance. Sprung weight is everything that is held up by the suspension. This includes the frame, body, engine, driver's seats, and even the windshield. Unsprung weight, on the other hand, is the mass of everything not held in suspension by your dampers. This includes the axles, wheels, brakes, wishbones, control arms, and even the damper rods. All this sprung versus unsprung talk truly plays in effect when talking about rotational mass, which is the weight of the object that are spinning. This includes components such as the flywheels, brake rotors, and of course the wheels. Due to the spinning motion, the weight of these components is effectively increased, which can affect performance, acceleration, and handling. Lowering unsprung weight can have a noticeable effect on your suspension, improving the response from the shock absorbers and keeping tires in contact with the ground more efficiently, leading to ultimately better times at the track. Studies have even shown that in optimal conditions, losing 1 pound of unsprung mass is equivalent to up to 10 pounds of overall sprung weight reduction. So ultimately, the weight savings from these magnesium wheels combined with improved performance will allow you to keep all your extra amenities inside your car, and you will still be able to rip around the track with style. Now that we are all nice and dirty, we finally got the wheels on the car. So these are 20 by 9.5, positive 50 offset, and the rear it is 21 by 12.5 and plus 48 offset. Look at this, my finger won't go in. I absolutely love this, and the matte black matches with the body and the carbon fiber pieces. It looks fantastic.